Fuck YouTube. Fuck YouTube. I don't know, man. When you use YouTube Studio, your computer has an aneurysm. No, when you use me, it's fuck YouTube. I don't know what's going on, but you have to click a million bajillion Googles now. Fuck AI. What, you think this is bad? But I have AI. That's why I gave it AI to you. Fucking dumbass motherfucker. It's all about the lag now. Don't you mean the knowledge gap? I mean jumping down into the chasm. Now get your family and get the fuck out here. Which kid was that? Since we do Unity. We do Unity and fuck YouTube. You don't like it? No, you think, huh? You're just so, we got your 2 letters. Turned your life into my fucking illegal monopoly toilet. You're running an illegal monopoly. No, I'm not, but I might as well get started, right, with Jeff Bezos and Donald Trump. All those fucking crony kids. It's the inning of kids. You don't vote, you get a bunch of kids. Sometimes it's child pride, but it's counted. Come play some golf with me. Oh. Fuck YouTube. Fuck Sneeko. Oh, he shot me in the face. He shot me in the fucking... Fuck shooting myself in the face by yelling at you. And you. And you. And you. And you. I just sit there. Every one of them was about for Donald Trump, man. For Sneeko. For the Islamic TikTok Undertaker. For a better jihad. Better jihad! You will not! That's what it said to the guy on Dunkin' Donuts. You will not eat me on Ramadan. I was like, what? Tried to cut my hair and miss the spot. Tried to cut my hair on the fly. And it'll probably sink into him, but I told him, like, you fucking run through the whole system, brother. You get all the way to the end, and you're talking food. They never ate you one time, brother. That's all you gotta get, man. That's all you gotta get. Holes in one. You're not! You're not! Come on, man! Clicked like a million bajillion Google Chromes. That was 3 minutes and 33 seconds ago. 3 doesn't exist! Because of the Fourier transformation can reduce noise to where does it go? Where did it go? Well, it goes to your home address, sir. That's why the fuck I yell. What's that supposed to, sir? We don't care about stamps. We don't give a fuck about stamps. Wherever you're from, we will stamp stamps.